I'm running a car on water. This is water out of the spring. What's this now? See it?
Yeah, it's bubbling or something. What's it doing?
Making hydrogen.
Making hydrogen.
Now, how is it making hydrogen?
Separating
With electricity?
Ooh, wow.
3 times more powerful than gasoline.
That is something. So just regular spring water. So electrically, it's separating it somehow.
Yeah.
Getting a big bubble there. Bill blew himself down in here one day.
Yeah, that was with the bomb I built. Hydrogen bomb. It took me 3 years to get that right way I wanted it.
So what took so long? Just getting the spacing correct?
Yeah.
Or?
I tried everything.
And how does it work? I mean, the electricity's going through it, but is there a negative and a positive?
Yeah.
And there's a current in the water then?
In the water. Now here's some pure hydrogen cars. Now they don't work off this kind of stuff here. I got another generator back there. I drove this one.
Gee.
And they've got no motor, no transmission, just electric motor all it's got.
Yeah. And how does the hydrogen then fuel the motor?
Okay. You know what a valve body looks like on a automatic transmission?
Sure.
Okay, there's half on this side, there's half on this side.
Yeah.
You put them together, it makes a tube. Runs like this. This piece of platinum, about so long, one side of it is cut grooves, half grooves all the way down. And what the other side, I wouldn't give anything if I'd asked that woman about that. And because she found out I was interested in hydrogen and been messing with it. And so she stayed with me the whole trip down through there. And I signed up to drive one.
Yeah.
And they put them a gasket in there and put them together where they won't leak. Run that hydrogen in here. You got a valve up here for a gas feed.
Yeah.
You turn more hydrogen put through this, the more electricity it makes. And it's DC,
Spins the motor.
It spins that motor however fast you want that motor to go.
Amazing. Let's make hydrogen one more time. This is too fascinating.
You know it's explosive, right, Roger?
I'm going to hold this down.
So it's
here.
bubbling right there. Huh. Okay. All right.